थोड्याकडे बेडाची कॅपॅसिटी आणि इतर काही गोष्टी लोकांचे प्रश्न सदा आसतलो, पण आयज आमी चडसो लोक आमचो आयज होम आयसोलेशन ऑफ करता. त्याच बरोबर आमकां बेड कॅपॅसिटी बी सफिशियंट बेड कॅपॅसिटी सध्या आसा. आणि आमचे ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल, what is the treatment protocol that we want to use? Secretary also has had a lot of review meetings to see that the home isolation cases and the methodology that is used is further strengthened. So Secretary himself has had a review with all the thing, where the calls are going, where the calls are not going, how many calls, how we are able to increase the number of calls. So all these things are being monitored by Mr. Amit Satija. That said, Dean Goa Medical College has also offered that he is going to sit with the third year MBBS students, and they have also offered to help so that they can also be a part of this calling of the patients and trying to see what is the situation of the home isolation patients. As far as the home isolation kits are concerned, thorough distribution is going on and monitored by Goa Medical College and Director DHS Dr. Risa. We have also said that this is to be continued in a method which is very methodical, and also we are trying to understand what is happening. Also, the death audit that happened, I think Secretary and Dean Goa Medical College has also done a thorough study of that to see what is the age group, comorbidity, when they came, how they came, what were the age groups. Yes, severe data we are compiling and doing a thorough study as far as Goa Medical College is concerned. And from the DHS side, we are ensuring that GMC and DHS works in a very and so that we have no issue in terms of coordination and managing of COVID-19 is concerned. There were several today deliberations between the experts and all of us. In Goa, we have found in most of the cases, the remdesivir today has been already approved by FDA as one of the drugs for COVID-19. And also, we have found that plasma in a combination of remdesivir and maybe in certain proportion of steroids has given us excellent results, so we are going ahead with this protocol as far as Goa is concerned. Also, it was discussed that remdesivir should be given immediately when the patient is admitted within a specific period of time, and during that period of time, even if plasma is administered, it is in raising the saturation level and further damage to the lungs. This protocol is concerned, and Goa we are going to go with the same protocol. Nowhere it has said that you cannot use. Protocols may keep changing, but with our experience of experts from the private sector and from the government sector, we are going to have our own protocol where we are able to save lives of people and take it forward. Today, as far as Goa is concerned as a government, and this state government is doing all it can to see that we are able to save lives of people. We are able to also ensure that thorough monitoring of home isolation is done. Just now we had a discussion that post-COVID complications also are going to be digitized and monitored. Post-COVID complications now under Dr. Durga Lavande and under supervision of the Dean and under supervision of Secretary Health, who will overall take a view, and Director DHS. We are also seeing a lot of people come with post-COVID complications. Post-COVID complications also need to be monitored. It is not only just for a few days, but also when the call will go was discussed today. Counselors also being put into in the field in order to counsel the patients undergoing home isolation, because also it will include about safety of the elderly people who are in that house when this home isolation patient is in home isolation. A lot of people are developing fibrosis, post-COVID complications. So Ayush protocol has already been brought up by Government of India. In addition to that, there is a protocol, certain amount of steroids also are given to the patient. So things, right from the medication, right from everything, for post-COVID I'm talking about. Already in South Goa District Hospital, we have started the post-COVID treatment and post-COVID. Where such patients, at the moment under Durga Lavande itself, there are around 60 patients over these number of months. She's got, as of now. So basically what we are trying to say is that people having any kind of issues, even after after this particular period of isolation, then we need to monitor them, and we want to monitor them and have all these data at the tip of our fingers so that we know tomorrow if there is a spike, then how do we deal with that situation, how do we deal with everything. So ultimately आमचे testing ची facility भी जे हा ते आम्ही we want to keep it at minimum 2,000-2,500. आमचे मातशे थोडे ड्रॉप जाल्ले टेस्टिंग फॅसिलिटी, ते टेस्टिंग परत एकदा decision घेतले आम्ही that testing should be at anywhere between 2,000 and 2,500. This has been already discussed with the Chief Minister. And most importantly is that if there a person is positive, and he is under home isolation, then we have also discussed today that in how much period the other members of the family should be tested. Is it immediately or is it after 48 hours? That SOP will be issued to DHS in consultation with Secretary Health. And most importantly, त्यांचे डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट गांवचो गांव असं टेस्ट करून अर्थ काय ना त्याचे भोवती जे ताबडतोब कोण आयले त्यांना आणि ऑल्सो व्हडल्यो कंपनीज जे आहात दे वॉन्ट टू टेस्ट द पीपल दे शुड टाय अप विथ द प्रायव्हेट लॅब not with the government. This is meant only for the citizens. And also, we will not be, if any particular citizen feels he wants to be tested in the PHC, CHC, then he should be allowed to go and get himself tested. That is something that director will issue instructions and take it forward. Overall, I feel that we are much better in a situation today. And every week we are trying to see mortality has also come to a single digit. And we are trying to see, and there is, if any media feels there's any data not there, there is no question because we are digitizing of everything using Goa Electronics. Everything will be available at the tip of the finger. Our doctors who are present here, our secretary is there, Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Disa, and our doctors, nodal officers, Uday Kakodkar and Dr. Vishnu Desa Hospital, Dr. Rajesh Patil, Sudhana Amolkar and Dr. Deepa Kuria from Madgaon, Dr. Vikas from Ponda, and all our team of doctors of Goa Medical College and DHS are putting all the effort and in ensuring that we are able to deal with COVID-19 in a very professional and a very methodical manner. Also, instruction that in case after 10 days or 12 days, in case they find or within that period, they find that the condition, though the person he has got some symptoms, they should not waste time. As a precautionary measure, they should shift that home isolation patient to the medical facility. So this will help in saving more state of breathlessness or any other situation. So this is other things that we have discussed today. And I think the treatment protocol that is being adopted by us is pretty good. And we are, and also lot of times I read also that, many times you must be feeling why certain things are not done, why suddenly this will keep on evolving. These protocols for SOPs for COVID-19, nobody can have a hardcore, this is it and this is how it has to be done. It will keep on changing and it will change because if you look at somebody last time also, the cases, the secretary was here, that suddenly there was a spike. We also have to see that our testing doesn't drop. Our testing should be at minimum 2,000 to 2,500, which should be the minimum testing per day, and that is how we are going to maintain it. I have been given in writing. I have also sent notes yesterday. We have taken the Chief Minister also into confidence, and ultimately, if this is done, then we will be able to keep going. We also know that a lot of these hotels and clubs and nightclubs have, and as a result of which they have taken it up very aggressively with the collectors that they should ensure that these clubs and all must mention 50% only they can have those people. What are those SOPs of Government of India should be strictly followed. State SOPs are also there. They cannot have people without masks. They cannot have no social distancing. And those videos which came were very shameful. Actually, the people, the onus is not on the government all the time, and not on like secretary or myself. Every time people feel that what is the administration. The onus is also on the owners of these particular nightclubs. And also on the individual that is visiting nightclub. If you don't wear mask and you go, I am telling you till today, you pass by in Panjim or you pass by for evening walks or morning walks, you find nobody wearing masks. People, that is up to you. You want to not wear masks and you want to just do whatever is told, you want to defy it, then there is nothing that we can do. Young people are being given plasma as we speak. Because that is what is the situation. And as a result of it, nightclub is not the only thing that drives. Tourism has got restaurants, tourism has got interline tourism, there are multiple ways of marketing tourism. But that is what I took up with the Honorable Chief Minister, who was very, heard me and also said that he will ask, and he also had made a statement that the Home Department, and it is very important for the Home Department to monitor it, Excise Department also is monitoring it. And we need to see that, and also onus has to be on the owners of these type of facilities and these type of clubs and the individual who goes there. They are not children who go there, they are already adults. It is on them. And as a result of which, they must mention, they must wear masks, they must wear they must sanitize their hands, they must keep social distancing. Ultimately, we are going through a pandemic, and it is also being said that this pandemic is not going to get over as early as we predicted that it should be. So nobody knows. Answers nobody knows. Only thing what we can do, take safety measures and continue tourism, ensure that enjoy Goa, but also keep safety features in mind. That is very important. That's all I have to say today. Thank you. Any questions, Suraj?
Sir, there are three questions I have.
Some.
One is why has the testing dropped? The day we tested, we got 187 positives. There were only 747 tests. Secondly, the thing is, initially we were testing around 3,000, 2,600, 3,000. Why the number has come down?
Because we have also taken. See,
I will just said
Sam.
the graph has gone down, but it is really gone down, or it is because of the testing is less.
टेस्टिंग म्हणू शकना कित्याक आमी ठरयल्ले आसा की व्हडल्यो कंपनी बी पयली आमच्याकडे जे येताले तांकां सांगला तुम्ही प्रायव्हेट लॅब कडे वचून दे कॅन अफोर्ड टू टेस्ट द पीपल आवर दिस फॉर द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. So automatically, if he says that it is come down by 5%, but I, as a part of this government, we ourselves are saying that we need to maintain about 2,000 to 2,500, say around about 2,000. It should not drop.
But that
below
is not
2,000.
happening. So.
It may not happen, but that does not mean testing has. It does not mean that testing has gone down or testing, because testing is still happening in private labs. So we will now, we have the power to take the information from private labs, also number of testing that is taking place, to share it with you whenever we are here. So it is important. Why should the government spend for companies who can afford, multinational companies? They can test their own employees. Now tomorrow Mopa construction, every day they wanted to bring 250 people here to test. Why should I test? They can afford to test themselves by tying up with a private lab. So basically, also another thing is travelers. Testing has been stopped, and people also should come forward to test. चडशे कितें जालां तुमकां सांगता, प्रॉमिनंट लोक जे आहा ते आपल्या घराचेर स्टिकर लावन सोदिना आनी म्हणून भायर सरना. सो ह्यो गोष्टी आमी तांकां सांगूंक शकना न्ही. तेणी येवन टेस्ट करून दिवंक जाय. आमचे कडेन जे कोण येता आमी तेंचे टेस्ट करून घेता. आतां ते ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ले आसा. What you are saying is that large number of companies today, they have tied up with the respective private labs and they are doing it. Our job is to test the citizens.
Mr. Ajay, isn't it that private notify the government number of tests conducted as well as the...
We can get you that information
No,
also.
but
What
that
we are
should
talking.
also reflect in the bulletin. No? I think they must be informing the DHS.
Is it?
Yeah, on the test, any laboratory which is doing the test,
Yeah.
antigen test or the
Whatever.
RT-PCR test, they have to upload it on the portal.
National portal.
Every
ICMR.
ICMR with the Aadhaar card, they have to upload it on the portal.
Figure doesn't reflect.
No,
in your-
all that is reflected.
Because the like,
I got the question. I also said, that's why I said from the beginning,
Yeah.
as a state government, we should not drop below 2,000. 2,000 to 2,500 should be a minimum testing per
So
day.
the bulletin contains the private test also.
That's what these doctors say.
Yeah,
That-
whatever
So
is-
what
Even
you
then the tests are not.
tests, even if the tests are dropped,
The test is not
you should
Even
confirm.
then,
once
when you
that-
say 747 tests done, 187, it is 20% of the positivity.
The day which you are quoting in now, generally you will see that on Sundays the numbers are little less across the country because people come forward. That particular day when you are saying 700 something, that's why I think Sunday. So
Yeah, even then there are, on an average, only 1,200 tests.
I agree with you. That's why I said, I just have said just now that we have moved a note also that we should ensure that the person who's under home isolation, what is the SOP for testing his full family, and also what is his contact tracing, to what extent we will go. Those SOPs should be framed immediately so that we do not drop below 2,000 to 2,500. Minimum 2,000 tests a day for a state like Goa, we have to conduct the tests. We cannot drop. So this has been already being addressed. I have already taken it up 3-4 days back. Secretary also, we have already discussed this. I have discussed it with the Chief Minister. इतले हेजे पोना वचून अर्थ ना. हे टेस्टिंग जावंक जाय. टेस्टिंग जाल्यारूच आमकां खरे पिक्चर्स कितें आहा ते एक्झॅक्टली कळटले. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना रेट देंवता न्ही, आतां तुवें जे प्रश्न विचारले तुका एक ऑनेस्ट आन्सर दिता. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना देंवता ऑटोमॅटिकली नंबर ऑफ केसीस बी देंवतले. आनी तेज्या खातीर आमकां हे फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन घेवन रावपाची गरज ना. हांवें पयलींच्यान फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शनचो शब्द वापरला. त्याच बरोबर आमी सरकार म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री कडेन ऑलरेडी चर्चा केल्या की इतले आमकां टेस्टिंग करूंक जाय चडशे आमकां ते एंटीजन टेस्टिंगाचेर अर्लियर इट वॉज एंटीजन टेस्टिंग केल्यार उपकारता and antigen testing again capping up government of India's rate and it's more affordable to do it on a mass. But not that before people insisted the whole village to be tested. Like that you cannot do. You have to have very focused and it has to be very methodical. So we will do it. So give us another couple of days. We will put all this
The
system.
second question is on the are there any SOPs for distribution of this home isolation kit?
Why should they be? The SOP is very clear. We are giving everybody who is registered online.
Sir, I have told you, the thing is, I myself had COVID. I spoke to Dr. Roshan in Kandoli for so many times. He told me 5 days, he told me he didn't have any kit.
But now we have just had a presentation.
And I had to buy myself.
No, 1 minute.
That was
Suraj.
1.5 week after
Suraj,
you
when
launched the thing.
1 minute. It took us about a week to get. We got all the statistics. How many kits have been distributed?
Yeah, how
how
many
much
have been
stock?
distributed?
And how much? Where is this? Utkarsh? Here it is. No, distribution of the kits. The sheet is there. No, this is not about the distribution. Utkarsh, can
No, maybe at that particular point of time.
Yes.
We started giving the kits in taluka wise. So maybe at
See,
that
you
particular
come to my place. I'll show you.
No, one
now
sec.
the kits are not.
Hey, Baba, no, you are making
Now
a.
kits.
See, listen, Suraj. If you want, I will ask Utkarsh to WhatsApp you exactly the number of stock that we have got more than 4,000 stock with us. More than 3,500 kits have been already distributed. What you are giving information is maybe when it was started, because the first batch that came was around 750. Then after 2 days it came 850. We started from Panjim. We said let's start from Panjim. We finished Panjim. We said we'll go taluka wise to distribute. Otherwise it will become a mess and there will be a confusion. As of now, we have got about more than 4,000 kits in stock, and total number of received in stock is close to around 8,944, and also stocks present with CCSD is 5,384. So around 3,000 plus kits have already gone into the
Yeah,
people.
can you just tell me what is the procurement cost of this?
You ask procurement cost will be there with the GMC. What is there? It was the quotations that were called based on which we got the price. And we have got all warranty, everything, all materials, supplies, most of the medicines are
No, you are
supplied.
talking about transparency most of the time. So I'm just asking you what would be
You
the
put a letter to GMC, we'll write to you. We'll give you all the statistics. You write whatever you want information, you can go to the dean and you can sit with the purchase section and you can give it, they will give you exactly what is basically, so whatever you want, whatever information you want, you can always ask GMC, always, your paper always gets all the information you want, we will give you, support you. Tu sang janna yanta tu, GMC, you give him all the information. Where nothing is here, everything is through a standard procedure approved by the cabinet. We have got a joint purchase committee which is approved by the cabinet, for which permission has been given to take post facto cabinet approval in order to fast track whatever your procurement is. We are dealing with a pandemic called COVID, and also many times we have to modify what we want to get, because the doctors start sometimes when we get certain material, the doctors are not comfortable with that material. Sometimes we need to see what is their comfort zone. Sometimes we have to see what is workable. Sometimes they feel hot in a certain type of PPE. Even if we buy the best of PPE, then we have to modify it according to what they require. So this thing goes on changing. I have to tomorrow Delhi jan PPE धाडल्यो ते कोणाक दिल्यार कोण घालपाक तयार ना कितें करूं? I can't do anything because they find it very thick and they find it's not workable if the nurse has to be in the ward for about 8 hours. It becomes very difficult. So it becomes very difficult. Then most of the medications that are there in the kit are medications, and we are following whatever is there. Tu je sangta initially period when you start, because these are good quality kits. These are not compromised kits. These are good quality kits which are there. So now we don't have any shortage. Any amount of people. And also we have taken a decision that people who cannot register online and people who are offline also, we are trying to reach out to them so that we can take care of them. So this is how we want to move forward. तुका कितेंय जर लागलें डिनाक फोन मार वचून बस तुका पळोवंक जाय, you can see whatever. And you can also see what if there are 4 people who have quoted, you can see whatever you want to see. I have no problem. that's why we have roped in Goa Electronics, is that every data is digitized. You know, right from when we talked about post-COVID, we said all medication given to that patient during post-COVID treatment, till for the period he comes out of it, कितले फावट CT scan केला, किती medication दिले असं. We need the data. And there is no question of, and तुका जर problem झाला, रोशन नाझरीदान तुका जर सांगला, म्हाका तारीख दी, and केन्ना, you just find out and you give him information as to why there was a delay. But initially we went taluka wise. Taluka, unless you finish one taluka or see Panjim, Tiswadi is a big area. Tiswadi you complete, then go. Now there is no. Now most of the areas we have already taken care of. So I don't think there should be any problem.
PHC Kandurli has got enough kits.
ते ICMR ते प्लाझ्मा
आम्ही प्लाझ्मा चालूच दवरतले. आमचे डॉक्टरान ऑलरेडी सांगला की आमकां बरे रिझल्ट आयले. प्लाझ्मा बंद कर म्हणून खंयच येवंक ना.
No, they
They-
are indicated. No?
Indicate or no indicate, as far as Goa is concerned, Kerala is concerned, Goa is concerned, we find that the plasma, remdesivir and steroids have been giving excellent results with the patient if it's timely used. So continue to give the treatment as is required. Goa will continue to use plasma along with the combination of remdesivir and also whatever they feel. And we have found that they have just now, Uday Kakodkar doctor is there. He was giving a simple he was giving an example. Out of 263 patients for which plasma was given, it has had a good effect on about 186 or 180.
70% is the recovery.
70% is the recovery rate in this combination. So we are not going to stop. We are going to use our doctors from the private sector and government sector as the expert committee. And as a result, under this expert committee, whatever is decided, that will be the protocol for the state of Goa.
काय वखदांबद्दल हे केला की काय वखद आसा ते इट कॅन लीड टू किडनी फेलियर्स एंड ऑल दैट
निश्चित है.
काय असे वखदांच्या
It is already approved by FDA now. It is a full-fledged. They are already approved. It is approved by the FDA. So there is no question of not using it, and it is giving excellent results.
सर थोडे PPE किट बीन आसा पळय पंचायत आसा पळय ती बंद करता जळयता सो ताका कितें इंस्ट्रक्शन्स आसा
PPE
हय,
आमचो
PPE
संबंध कितें तेंचो?
सर पण कितें तुमचे कडसून हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटा कडसून कितें पंचायतीक कितें तरी हे गेल्ले आसा
आमचो
की कशें
संबंध
डिस्पोज कशें करपाचें ते
Incineration. All
All
PPE should be
incineration.
incinerated.
All
And we are
incineration.
accepting all over Goa.
All over धाडून देऊन दी आमच्याकडे धाडून आम्ही इन्सिडेंट
सर ते बंद जळोवपाक अलाव आसा सर जळोवपाक अलाव आसा
इन्सिडेंटर
Segregation of the waste.
इन्सिडेंटर
So red bags and the yellow bags. Yellow bags, which is a COVID phase, all that waste goes to incineration and medical.
ऑल द पंचायत ऑल्सो
Now, other,
सँक्शन
you must be talking about the other waste.
नो द PPE किट
आयज
एंड ऑल
पळयलाय खंयची तरी फोटो
COVID waste goes to.
पण आता ते कोणाचे आहा ते म्हाका
सर
खबर ना.
काल अशीच आमचीच एक हे जाला की नेरूल पंचायत जी आसा ती PPE किट स्पेशली जी धर्मा प्रोडक्शन शूटिंग चालू आसली त्यांचे आणि जे कोविड
ना,
पॉझिटिव्ह
म्हाका पळय
आहात
आता ते सगळे तुमकां कलेक्टराक ऑफिशियली ते कंप्लेन करचे पडटले कारण तो आमचो संबंध येना डायरेक्टली. आमकां जो संबंध येता आमचे PHC, CHC हॉस्पिटलांचे जे मटेरियल आता दे आर आस्किंग दैट देयर वाज अ फिल्म प्रोडक्शन उनका पीपी मेरा संबंध म्हजो संबंध येना. कोणी परमिशन तांकां दिल्ले आसा तेणी ते गायडलायनान घालूंक जाय आसले की अशें अशें तुमी करूंक जाय. कोण खंयच्या ऑफिसरान दिले ताका धारेर धरा तुमी. खंयच्या ऑफिसरान ते शुटिंगेक परमिशन दिला तेणी ते गायडलायन्सात घालपाची गरज आशिल्ली.
ESG चे CEO तिकडे आहेत
We have
ना.
issued show cause notice to them. To the line producer, we have issued the show cause notice.
ते सारखे न्हू हे अशें उडोवप हे सारखे इट्स नॉट करेक्ट. आनी कितें आशिल्लें?
माझा एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन डेंटल कॉलेज इन 16 नर्सी घेतल्यात त्यांचे रिझल्ट अनाउन्स करिना
माग न्ही RTH अंडर दिसले.
सगळे आटले
आणि तुका हांव सांगता तुका सुरज तुका स्पेशल दिता. तू सांग खंयच्या दिसा वयता तुका ते सगळे फायल काढून दितले.
No, but why without result?
There is no result.
BSc nursing
विषय कितें आहा म्हाका सांग. तुका
BSc nursing कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जरा घेतला असले पळय ताणी अप्लाय केले तांकां एकट्याकूय घेवंक ना.
I cannot promise you that just because a person is working in BSc nursing, if he has got the highest, he has to give his exam and pass. I cannot
पण
promise.
examचा result
I cannot promise anybody who is working on contractual basis that he'll be
But
passed.
the
in
results
exam.
are not announced, sir.
The results are already announced. Correct. Without the results, you cannot
Nowhere
give.
the result
You
is-
ask under RTI, you will get all the information.
सर माझ्याकडे इन्फॉर्मेशन हांव तुमकां सांगता.
ना तू घाल नाही ते कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन आहा तें म्हाका प्रॉब्लम काय ना. तुजे कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन जाय तुका दिवपाक तयार हांव. पूण कितें आहा की लास्टाक कितें आसता की जो कोण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर 12 वर्सां लोक काम केल्या ते बाबडे थंयच आहा म्हणून आता आम्ही सरकारान आता 900 सुमार पोस्ट तयार केल्ले आसा सुपर स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटल. हांव मागता देवा कडेन ते सगळे भरून वचून कित्याक ते बरें काम करता.
पण ते 16 भितर 1-2 तरी आसूंक जाय.
ना हांव प्रॉमिस कसो करूं हांवें एग्जाम घेतल्या आय हॅव नॉट टेकन एग्जाम.
एक्झामचो रिझल्टच
ना एक्झामचो रिझल्ट दिवंक नाचो प्रश्न ना. रिझल्ट दिल्या शिवाय सिलेक्शन जायना. आता तुझे जर इन्फॉर्मेशन तुझे हा कितें तरी इन्फॉर्मेशन तुका स्पेसिफिकली इन्फॉर्मेशन कितें आहे म्हणून केंद्र सरकारान आरटीआय म्हणून कितें केला ते आरटीआय घे आनी ते इन्फॉर्मेशन घे न्ही. तुका जर स्पेशली तुका जाय वचून म्हायती काडपाक तुका फायलूच दिवंक लायता म्हाका कितें. पण एक लक्षात घे हांव ऑन रेकॉर्ड सांगता 10 वर्सां काय 20 वर्सां जर मनीस काम केला आनी तो सिलेक्ट जातलो म्हणून हांव सिलेक्ट करूं शकना कित्याक हांव एग्जाम बरयना ते आनी ते एग्जाम कोण बरयता त्या मनशाचेर आहा न्ही ते. एक केन्ना केन्ना कितें आसता एकदम बरें आमचे जीएमसीन बी कितले कार्डियक डिपार्टमेंटान इतली बरी नर्सां ते उरले. आता ते कशें आनी कितें आनी आमचे जीएमसीन आता जेन्ना येतले 90 पोस्ट आयले तांकां सगळ्यांक घे म्हणून सांगले पण ऑलरेडी लोक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आमकां रेग्युलर पोस्ट जाय ते रेग्युलर पोस्ट आमकां सँक्शन जातले. रेग्युलर पोस्ट जाल्यार आमची प्रायोरिटी जे कोण कार्डियक डिपार्टमेंटान काम करता एकदम बरें काम करता तांकां अनुभव आहा. वी कॅनॉट लेट गो ऑफ दीस पीपल. But that also I cannot promise you in front of the media that okay he is there for 10 years. So आपको पता है how I am supposed to give. I cannot, but I would want that they should be in the system because they are doing excellent job. Most